Trying to turn off liquid glass on your iPhone, but can't find the setting? That's because there isn't one, but there is a way to get rid of most of it. With iOS 26, Apple introduced the new liquid glass design, adding transparent and frosted effects across the interface. But for a lot of people, it actually makes things harder to read. Quick heads up, you can't fully turn off liquid glass on iOS 26. Apple doesn't offer a complete disable option, but you can significantly minimize it. Step 1. Reduce transparency. This is the setting that makes the biggest difference. To do this, open Settings. Tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size. Now turn on Reduce Transparency. This removes most of the glass effect and restores solid backgrounds. Step 2. Increase contrast. You'll find this in the same menu. Turning this on helps separate the text from the background, making everything much easier to read. Step 3. Reduce motion. Go back one screen, tap motion, and toggle on Reduce Motion. This removes those floating and shifting effects that make the UI feel liquid. Finally, Step 4. Change the liquid glass style. If you're on iOS 26.1 or later, you can find this under Settings, Display and Brightness, and then Liquid Glass. Switch the setting from Clear to Tinted. This makes the interface less transparent and much easier on the eyes. If this helped you tone down the liquid glass effect on your iPhone, make sure to hit the like button so more people can find this. And if you're running iOS 26, I've got plenty more quick tips and fixes just like this, so feel free to check those out on the channel. If there's another setting or feature you want me to cover, let me know in the comments, and I might make a video on it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.